Hey guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome if you're new. So in today's video I'll be showing you guys how to do the left and right TikTok edit. So let's get started. So first things first, you need to open PixArt and tap on the plus icon to add your image, and once you've added your image you need to scroll across to the right to select the draw icon. Now once you've selected the draw icon, you'd see that there are quite a few options here, like the brush and eraser and the color palette. So you could actually tap on the color palette to select the color that you want and select the brush stroke that you want. So now you could actually zoom in to write on the image, and you need to write "oh no," and you can actually take the time to actually make this as neat as possible. This is just for example purpose, so it's not going to be very neat. And you could also add another color to add this double effect or layered effect to your text, and you could customize it with other little designs that you want on it. So once you finish with all the customizations, you could actually go ahead and save the image. And once the image is saved, you need to go back and add your second image. So once you've added the second image, you'd actually need to tap on the text icon and you're going to write "oh no." And at this point, again, you need to select the color, and you could also do the layered effect on it once more. After which you'd need to tap on apply and select the draw tool to add your little designs to it. So once you've added all the designs that you want to it to make your image unique and colorful, you would simply need to save the image. So once the image is saved, you need to open CapCut and add the two images that was recently created in PixArt. And at this point, you would need to add the audio, and you could simply go ahead and extract it from an already existing video. And once you've added the audio, you would need to adjust the images to fit the music or the duration of the lyrics. And I'm just going to pop up the remainder of the lyrics on the screen so you could go ahead and finish this trend for yourself. But that's pretty much how you'd go about doing the left and right edits. P.S. You could take a screenshot of the duration for the lyrics. I'll also be adding it to the description. But that's pretty much how you go about doing the edit. So if you guys found this video useful, or if you enjoyed this video, please like, share, comment, and subscribe. Also, please turn on your post notifications so you'll be notified whenever I upload videos. Thank you guys so much for watching.